Hello everyone, welcome to Expertise classes. Today we will study chapter 3 of mathematics class 6. The name of the chapter is whole numbers. So at first we have to know what is whole number. So the numbers starting from 0, then 1, 2, 3 and it goes on this way. So these numbers are called whole numbers. So from 1 to the left side, these are natural numbers, and if we include this 0 with the natural numbers, so as a whole it together becomes the whole numbers. So when someone asks, give me an example of a whole number, you can say 0, or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10,000, 19,000, 20,400, any number, but it should be a positive number. Okay, there should not be any negative sign in front of the number. So we will directly start the exercise. So we will start exercise 3.1. so here the first question is, tick the correct answer. Number 1, the smallest whole number is. So here we have seen the smallest whole number is 0, so answer will be 0. The second question, the smallest natural number. So just now I have told the natural number starts from 1 and it goes on like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So the smallest natural number is 1. So answer will be 1. There are dash whole numbers up to 60. So here you see they have asked up to 60. So we start from 0, 1, sorry. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. We go on like this and we have to count up to 60. So how many numbers are there here? You see. At first we will not count the 0, okay? From here we will count. So we have 1 number, 2 number, 3, 4 number. Like that we will have here 5 number, 6 number. That way it will go up to 60. So here we will get 60 numbers. Okay, and here we have the 0. This is one number, 0 is also a number. So this 1 and this 60, they together become 60 plus 1, that means 61. So here the answer will be 61. There are 61 whole numbers up to 60. Now what they have asked, there are dash natural numbers up to 80. So natural numbers means it will start from 1. Okay, if we have to write up to 80, then what will happen? We will write here 61, 62 and it will go on up to 80. Okay, so we will start from here, we will count from here, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, and so it will go on and it will stop at 80. That means how many numbers we are going to get here? We will get 80 numbers if we start from 1. So we are asked the natural number, so we have to start from 1, so we will get a total of 80 numbers, right? So the answer of this one will be 80. Next, the whole number which is not a natural number. So you see here the natural number starts from 1 and this 0, it is extra in case of natural number, it is not needed. Alright, so this natural number, when we talk about the whole numbers, we have to include 0 with the natural numbers, then we get the whole numbers. That means 0 is extra in case of whole number which is not a natural number. So here answer will be 0. Number 6, the natural number whose predecessor does not exist is. Okay, before that we have to know what is predecessor and what is successor. At first we take any number, suppose 48, we take a number 48. The number previous to 48, what is that number? This side. So this number will be 47. So the previous number of any number is called the predecessor. So it is predecessor, predecessor. So 47 will be the predecessor of 48. And the next number of 48, it will be 49, and we call this number as SUCCESSOR. It is the successor of 48. So when we are asked the successor and predecessor of any number, we can tell. For example, the predecessor of 61, what it will be? It will be 60. And the successor of 61, it will be 62. Similarly here, the natural number whose predecessor does not exist. So we have been asked to write a natural number which don't have any predecessor. If you look at 4, it has the predecessor 3, or if you look at 62, it has the predecessor 61. But if we look at the smallest natural number, that is 1, does it have any predecessor? Because natural number starts from 1 itself. Before that, we don't have any natural number, so 1 will not have any predecessor. So here the answer will be 1. Okay. The next question, how many natural numbers are there between 10 and 100? So we have to count how many natural numbers are there between 10 and 100. And what is given here? Excluding the two given numbers. So the two given numbers, that is 10 and 100, we have to exclude, we have to subtract. Alright. So let's see from here. Here it is given we have to exclude 10 and 100. That means we cannot count 10 and also we cannot count 100. We have to count the numbers present in between them. So what is the next number of 10? It will be 11. We'll start from 11, then 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, at first we'll write up to 20. So let's count how many numbers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here how many numbers we have? 10 numbers. We have 10 numbers here. Again we'll start from 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So you count here how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here also we have 10 numbers. Okay. Similarly, if we start from 31 and go up to 40, we will have 10 numbers. 10 numbers. For 41 up to 50, we will have 10 numbers. 51 up to 60, we will have 10 numbers. 61 up to 70, we will have 10 numbers. 71 up to 80, we will have 10 numbers. Again 81 up to 90, we will have again 10 numbers. And we have to count from 91 up to 99. It is not 100. Okay, it is 99. So how many numbers are there from 91 to 99? If you count, you will get 9 numbers. Now how many total numbers we have? We can add together. Okay, 10 plus 10 it becomes 20, plus 10 it becomes 30, plus 10 it becomes 40, then it becomes 50, 60, 70, 80. Till here it becomes 80. Okay, total 80 numbers. And 80 plus 9, it becomes 89 numbers. All right. So the answer of this question will be 89. B1. So the answer, you can write it this way. There are 89 natural numbers between 10 and 100. Next question. How many times does the digit 5 occur in the units place of all natural numbers up to 100? So we have to start from the smallest natural number, that is 1, and we have to write up to 100. So we start from 1. We'll write from here 1. Okay, it will be easier for us because this line is still written here. We can easily use this line. So the first natural number is 1, then it comes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, up to here. So read the question again. How many times does the digit 5 occur in the units place? So you know what is the units place? In all natural numbers up to 100. So up to 100 we have 100 natural numbers, right? And out of those numbers, how many such numbers we have in which the last digit is 5, or we can say the units place of the number is 5. Like here we have 5 here, this is 1, then we have 5 here in the units place. Units place means this the extreme right hand side place. So this is another number which have the units digit as 5. Then we have another number here. So you can see in each every line, if we write from 1 to 10, we have one number whose units place is 5. Then in the next line, if we write from 11 to 20, we have again one number whose units place is 5. If we write again 21 to 30, then again we have another number that is 25 whose units place is 5. That way, how many numbers we are going to get this way? So here we get 1, 2, 3. Here we'll get 1, that is, it will be 35. So here it will be 45. Here it will be 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. So how many numbers we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we get a total of 10 numbers. Alright, the answer of number 2 will be 10. So you can write the answer in this way. Digit 5 occurs in the units place in all natural numbers up to 100. Sorry, instead of writing that way, you can write another way. Okay, the digit 5 occurs 10 times in the units place in all natural numbers up to 100. That way you can write. So let me write the sentence here for you. The answer of B2. You can write it this way. The digit 5 occurs 10 times in all the natural numbers up to 100. All right. So the next question here is, how many times does the digit 2 occur in tens place in the natural numbers from 100 to 1000? So the question is a little bit complicated here. So here you have to say how many times does the digit 2 occur in tens place. They are not asking in ones place this time, they are asking in tens place. Tens place means suppose we have any number here, like 4, 2, 6, 8. So the tens place is this one. This is the ones place, this is the tens place. Or we have any number 4, 2, 6. So this one will be the tens place. So we have to find from 100 to 1000 how many such numbers are there in which 2 is in tens place, that is 2 is in this position. So we have to find out. All right, so we can find it this way. You can just write it down this way. Number 3. So we have to start from 100, right? So we start from 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. So we go on writing this way. The last digit here will be 110. So in the tens place, you check it out. You can check it here. The 10th place, this one, this one, this one, this one. So here you will not get 2 anywhere. Okay, next we will start from 111, 112. We go it this way. We will not get 2 in the 10th place up to 120. So here we get 2 in the 10th place. All right. After that, the next number we can say, okay, the first number we got, it is, sorry, we got it as 120. The next number will be 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, and the next number it will be 130, next 131, and so on. It will go on this way. So here you can see we got 2 in 10th place here, 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 here we got it, and also here in, okay, up to here. So in how many numbers we got 2 in 10th place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we got in 10 numbers. In 10 numbers we got 2 in 10th place. So after that, if you check, if you go on writing from 132, 131, 132, 133, that way up to 1000, if you go on writing up to 1000, you will not get anywhere where you will get the 10th place as 2 after this one. So the answer here will be 10. All right. So the answer, you can write it this way. The digit 2 occurs 10 times in the 10th place in the natural numbers from 100 to 1000. That way you can write. So number 4, let's see the question. Give the successor and predecessor of each of the following numbers. So these are the numbers and you have to write the successor and the predecessor. I have just told you the successor means the number present in the right hand side, and the predecessor means the number present in the left hand side. So we will take the first question, that is 909. So 4 1, answer is question is 909. So answer, you can write it this way. So they have asked successor at first. Successor, what is the successor? After 909 we have to write the next digit, that means the right side digit. After 909 it comes 910. So this will be the successor. Again, predecessor, it will be the number which is present on the left side of this number. It will be 908. All right. Similarly, I'll take another number, like I'll take 6 number, 6. Okay, so the number is 19,999. Answer, successor and predecessor. So what is the successor of this number? The number present in the right side of this number. And what is present in the right side of this number? It will be 20,000. Okay. And predecessor, what is the number present in left side of this number? It will be 19,998. So these two are the answers. I'll take another number, like I'm taking number 4. It is 1000. So the successor here will be 1001 and the predecessor here will be 999. So the other numbers here will be your homework. You can do it by yourself. Okay, the later part we'll see in the next video. Thank you.